Ladies and gentlemen, please stand up, and the bride is ready to enter the hall now.
I feel nervous today, but I am very happy to marry the woman I love.
You deserve this happiness, Ethan, after all your struggles and hard work.
Stop the music, please. I need to say something important before this wedding continues.
Emma, what happened suddenly? Why do you look so serious and cold today?
I cannot marry you anymore. I made a better decision for my future life.
What is happening here? Why is the bride rejecting the groom on wedding day?
Emma, are you sure this will create a big scene in front of everyone? Yes, Mother, I am sure. I cannot build my future with someone who has nothing.
Emma, we planned everything together. Why are you breaking this promise right now?
Because I found someone who can give me everything you can never provide.
Hello, everyone, and I am David, and I will marry Emma instead of Ethan today.
Emma, look at me once. Please tell me this is not real right now.
This is my final decision. I need security and a stable future in my life.
I may not have everything today, but I am working hard towards something very big.
Ambitions alone mean nothing. Real achievement is shown through results and power.
Remember this moment. I will come back stronger, and everything will be very different.
I know this pain is very deep right now, but you must find your strength today.
My heart is broken, but I feel something burning inside me like never before.
That fire can destroy you, or it can make you powerful. Choose wisely.
I will use this pain as fuel, and I will build something they cannot ignore.
I noticed something today. People respect power, not love or honesty anymore.
That is true, but what is your plan? How will you change your life now?
I will not chase money only. I will control systems where money flows daily.
That sounds big, but you need a starting point and clear direction now.
I used to work delivery jobs. I saw many business problems every single day.
Yes, small stores struggle with supply, payment systems, and customer reach constantly. I will build a platform connecting stores, delivery, and payments in one single system.
Your idea is risky, but I like your confidence and clear understanding.
I lived these problems daily, and I am not guessing. I know real solutions.
I will invest, but I expect strong leadership and fast execution from you.
I will deliver results, and I have nothing to lose and everything to prove.
Our platform is growing very fast. Many businesses are joining every single day.
Good, but we must scale faster, and competitors will try to copy our system very soon.
You changed a lot. You speak like a leader with strong vision now.
That day destroyed my old self. This version is built purely for survival.
David, your company looks powerful, and I feel safe being part of your life.
Of course, I always stay ahead. I know how to control markets and people.
Sometimes I think about Ethan, but I know I made the smarter decision.
Forget him. People like him never reach our level in real life.
Sir, there is a fast-growing company dominating local business networks right now.
What is the company name, and who is leading this sudden growth?
The company is called Nexus Flow, and the CEO is someone named Ethan Carter.
Ethan, that name sounds familiar, but it cannot be the same person.
Ethan, your company is now valued at hundreds of millions in the market.
We are not stopping, and I want full national expansion within next 2 years.
Big companies are watching you now. Some may try to partner or compete.
Let them come, and I am ready to play at higher levels now.
Welcome, everyone, and tonight we celebrate innovation, power, and future business leaders.
David, this event looks important. Many powerful people are attending here tonight.
Yes, and we must stay ahead. Connections here will help us grow faster.
Look there, that is the CEO of Nexus Flow, rising star in the business world.
Ethan, no, this cannot be possible, Ben. He looks completely different and powerful now.
Stay calm, we will meet him, and I want to understand his business strategy.
Good evening, everyone. And I am happy to join such powerful and ambitious people tonight.
Ethan, is that really you? I cannot believe what I am seeing right now.
Yes, I am the same man you left on that very important day.
Interesting. So you are the man who faced heartbreak and became a successful businessman.
Success comes to those who survive pain, not to those who escape it.
You changed so much. You look confident, strong, and completely different now.
Pain teaches lessons no school can teach, and I learned everything the hard way.
Confidence is good, but business world is dangerous. One mistake can end everything.
That is why I do not make careless moves, and I plan 10 steps ahead always.
Sir, the competitor company is quietly losing control over supply chain and customer network.
Interesting. That means they are already weak, and they just do not show it publicly. Are you thinking what I think? This could be your perfect strategic opportunity right now.
This is not revenge, this is business. But timing makes everything meaningful.
Our system is strong. We do not need help from new companies at all.
Sir, we are losing partners daily. Nexus Flow is taking our clients very quickly.
Sir, the other party is ready to negotiate, and they are under pressure and need support now.
Arrange the meeting tomorrow morning. I will decide how this story ends.
Thank you for coming, and we are open to partnership and mutual growth discussion.
I am not here for partnership, and I want to acquire your company completely.
Why are you doing this? And this feels personal and very aggressive right now.
Business is always personal when respect is lost in front of everyone who is watching.
You cannot take over my company. I built this with my own effort and hard work. Then prepare to compete, because your system cannot survive against mine.
Please stop this. I regret everything. I made a terrible mistake back then.
Regret is easy after failure, but decisions define people at the right moment.
Tell me clearly what you want. We can still find another solution together.
Transfer full ownership, or your company will collapse within a very short time.
I have no choice. I will accept your condition and sign the agreement.
Good decision. Sometimes letting go is better than losing everything completely.
You finally did it, and you now control the entire market system completely.
This was never about them. This was about proving my own worth to myself.
I lost everything. And I wish I could change my decision from that day.
Life moves forward, not backward, and some choices cannot be fixed later.
I underestimated you, and now I lost everything I worked for in my life.
Never underestimate someone with nothing to lose and a strong reason to win.
What will you do now? And you reached the top faster than anyone expected.
I will build something even bigger, something that changes how business works across the world. That day was my end, but also the beginning of something truly powerful.
And today, you are living proof that pain can create unstoppable success.